So when we're talking about a vector space, it's just a collection of vectors, more like a space as vectors amaning, just a collection of vectors. But this is not English, so we are not defining anything here. It's just to give you an intuitive idea with him. Maskulma vector space, we're just talking about a space whereby you can find vectors within it. And we know vectors is just arrows with a magnitude, normal size, as well as a direction. So now, vector spaces, for something to qualify as a vector space, it must satisfy axioms. So axioms is more like conditions ekumele abe khona kuleso space for it to be known as a vector space. And those axioms are 10 in total. So we have 10 axioms that make, that qualify a space to be known as a vector space. So lawo axioms lawo conditions ame kanjani. But before we get there, let's look at format when the format that we use. Format lana, when I'm talking about U and I put an arrow on top, this is a vector. This U is a vector, no arrow phezulu, right? But now you want to inside the book, izobhalwa in what? In bold. So mawona kubhalwe kuqanyisiwe lapha, it means it's a vector. Ungavela ubhala u nje wena ubhala u onani one arrow phezulu, right? So this is a vector. And we have learned already calculus tools, a vector can be expressed using components y. So if vector can have components, you still remember lento yabo ijk. Components is more like what is the size of the vector along the x-axis, along the y-axis, along the z-axis, njalo njalo. So if vector, most of the times when we express it in form of any components y. Components y kuba values, scalar kahle num. Just like you still remember in calculus 1, if we say this is vector A and I put something like kanje, 2, 3, it means this vector has got a component of 2 along the x-axis and 3 along the y-axis. So here the notation is, we're gonna say vector U will have the first component U1, even any component U2, even any component U3 until you reach the last component, which is the nth component. So masfaku n lapha, we're just trying to talk about a component in that particular vector. See now this is a format. U lona, does it have an arrow on top? No, it's a number, it's a scalar quantity. So this is a vector. This U kwama scalars now. So singalenzi phutha when we are doing the sums and whatnot. So please make sure I understand that. U on the arrow uyi vector. And then if vector ibanani nama components. Each component is a what? Is a scalar. So it means it's just a number, just like this one. This is a component, is a scale. So it's a number. You can add it, you can subtract it, and whatnot. But if vector, you cannot just add a vector. U plus UV will give you something which is a number. No. You can only add in scalars. Why did I mention this? Because this is very important. Masiyenza proof way too. So when you are doing proof to show something qualifies as a vector space, we must find certain conditions that are known as axioms. So axioms, they are axioms of a vector space. Iwaphi conditions a qualifier ukuthi space sebizwa ngani nge-vector space. Like what qualifies for you to say ukuthi this is a vector space. So we're going to look at all of those components. So looking at lawo components manje. So like a vector space V over a field F is a set of equipped with 2 operations, vector addition, scalar multiplication, or and the following axioms. So as culminating axiom in my book here, I started with associativity. So vectors, they must be associative. Remember, what is associativity? If we're talking about the associativity, in this case, it's associativity of addition, normal for addition. Associativity for addition. Remember, for scalars, normal for numbers, we can say 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 9 angisho. So we can get the same 9 even if we say 2 plus 3 alone versus eta nobani no 4 sithole 9. Or you can say 2 plus 3 plus 4. you are still going to get ubani u9. Sayabona leyo nto angisho. This associativity property is within ama numbers, ama scalars lawa kuthiwa ama vectors. So angeke uqhamuke yona so uthi i-vector will act the same way. You must prove it uthi the vector can also be associative. So what are we trying to prove here? We say uthi we are taking a vector u and a vector v that are found in a certain vector space esobiza ngobani ngu-v. So see vector u no vector v, they are found in the vector space ubani u-v. Now we want to prove that vectors are associative. We want to prove with ama vectors, you can just add the first portion, then add the other one. You get the same outcome, even if you add the second portion, but you add the first. But for one vectors, does it apply? Because this is applying the scalars. Here's what I look at. So now we're gonna do it. We're gonna say we're gonna add vector u and vector v. Let's pick another vector a w, just a for us to have 3 values there. So if we pick another vector w, we want to prove u plus v plus vector w must give us ubani, must give us vector u plus vector v plus ubani vector w. So we want to prove ama vectors, they are also associative. So that's actually this is prove a vector space. These ama vectors within that vector space, like u, w, u, v, u vector w, no u, no v, they must have the associativity property. Because associativity property, it works for scalars, for numbers. That's why it is snage format. Sayabona ngisho. Sisihlukanise phakathi kwe number ne vector. It's not the same thing. So now we want to prove here this is correct. So it's either we take the left hand side or the right hand side. Let's just take the left hand side. See, u plus vector v plus vector w is equals to what? Remember u wethu unama components angisho, and then v wethu unama components wakhe, not w unani nama components wakhe. Remember before my a vector has got scalar components and scalar components. So u wethu, we can express it in form of any ama components y, because khumbula sitheni a vector is equals to its components. So singavele sithi u wethu simi express as a component yakhe yokuqala u1, u2 until you reach ubani un. Sayabona ngisho u1, u2 until you reach the last component o9. Then you are adding this u with uv plus w. Njengoba sino vector v plus vector w, it means we are adding ama vectors, ama components kabani ka vector v nama components kabani ka vector w. U add ama components kanjani lana? You add ama components a correspondayo only. This is a, this is b. Mhlambe sithi u b u1 4. If I say find the sum of vector a and vector b, uzo add u2 no 1, u3 no bani no 4. So you add first component plus first component, second component plus second component. So njengoba sino u plus v kanjena, it means we're gonna have ubani u1, u1 which is a number ngisho, plus ubani uv1. Sayibona ngisho. That's the first entry of u plus v. Because njengoba sithi u plus v sifaka ku bracket kanjena, we are adding the components of uv no bani no u. So this is u plus v, u, then this is u2 plus ubani uv2 until you reach u(n) plus ubani uv(n). So you add them until you reach the last number, no matter until you reach the last component. Sayibona? Is there any problem? Oh, w. Oh yeah. So oh yeah, we are adding uv and w there, or u and w. So this is the component of w, ngalena nakhona component of w. And then again, from here, that's when you can now do your associativity. So lento lena ke ithini kithi, we are adding ama components ka u to ama components kabani ka u plus w. Sayibona ngisho. So we are allowed to say I component ka u1 plus le component yokuqala, which is u1 w1. Sayibona ngisho. Ubani angisho? uv plus w. Okay, so this is v1 scalar plus w1, v2 scalar plus w2, and then vn scalar plus wn scale. All right. So here we are adding u1 plus ubani, uv1 plus w1 angisho. So this is plus V1 plus W1. That's the first component of the sum yethu yonke. Bese siyo-add ubani u-U2 plus le component yesibili, which is u-U2 plus ubani plus u-V2 plus W2. We do this until sifika kubani u-UN plus ubani u-VN plus WN. Now, sisakubona. And you know ukuthi these are scalars angisho. Yathi lawa ama-scalars angisho ama-number. Ama-numbers, are they associative noma they are not associative? They are associative because sesishilo you see a number you can just shift the bracket. Uthi 2 plus 3 kube u5 plus 4 kube u9. Noma uthi 2 plus 7 kube u9 nakhona. So these are what? These are scalars. So now you are allowed to say ukuthi I can choose mina ukuthatha u-U1 plus V1 bodwa as in one bracket. Ngithatha u-U2 plus V2, ngithatha u-UN plus ubani u-VN, because these are numbers now, you are allowed to do that. So sungasho ke manje ukuthi wena ufuna ubani u-U1 nobani no V1 babe kwi-bracket eli-1 bese plus lubani lo W1 abe ngaphandle, because it's numbers, you are allowed to do that. You do the same with the other ones, U2 plus V2 plus ubani u-W2. You do the same with the other one until you reach ubani u-UN plus VN bese ke plus WN. Siyayibona leyo nto angisho. And from here you can see ukuthi this is the first component. This is U1 plus V1, this is plus W1 and what. So you can now separate them once again. Sesingakwazi kanjani uwa-separate, because we can say ukuthi lo u-U1 plus V1, lo u-U2 plus V2, lo u-UN plus VN, so separate. So we are adding these to ubani W1, W2, not W1, N. You separate it. So this is going to be something like U1 plus V1. That's the first component. Then the next one is sum ubani U2 plus V2. Then until you reach ubani UN plus VN. And you say that you are adding this sum, you are adding it to ubani. You are adding it to W1. You are adding it to W1, adding it to W2, and adding it to until you reach WN. And from this, it appears with U1 plus V1. We are now treating them as one vector. So we can say this is U. Actually, look at U plus V land. Our components are called U plus V, U plus V, U plus V. So we can say that this is actually the sum of vector U and vector V that are in the bracket. Then we are adding it to ubani. What is this vector? W1, W2, Wn. Vector W. Those are components of vector W. Now, so we have proven ukuthi ama vectors they are associative. We have proven ukuthi ama vectors they are associative. No matter if you are adding them, you can just shift the bracket to anyway. So since I assume ukuthi it's obvious, it's not obvious because the ama vectors are actually the same way as ama number. You number le, it's a vector, it's having components that are going in different direction. So the associativity le. Yabonakala leyo nto. Yes, so this is associative. That's the first axiom that must be satisfied. The other ones are too obvious, I guess, is let's just look at another one. There must be commutativity. When we say that we are commuting something, it means we are shifting something. Normally we are moving something from one place to another. We know for numbers, U2 plus 3 is the same thing as U3 plus 2. We know that. So if you commute to 3, umiselena, U2 abe ngalena, still gonna get the what? The same sum. For our numbers, njani. Last dilangani, nama vectors. We want to prove if we are having a vector U and a vector V that are found in a certain vector space UV. When we add U vector U and U vector V, we must get ubani, U vector V plus ubani, U vector U. So we are trying to prove this with our vectors. And then you do what? You do the same thing. You use one side to get the other. If ngenza mina U plus V, U vector U plus vector V, I must be able to get ubani. What are the components of U? It's U1, U2 until sizofika ubani? UN. Ama components ka U1 angisho lena. And then we are adding them to ubani to V1. So the components of V1 or to V njani is v1 v2 until sesifike kubani u-vn. Siyayibona leyo nto angisho. And then now you add them, because we are adding them here. You add u-u1 nobani no v1. You must add them. So kumele u-add u-u1 plus v1. Remember ukuthi you add lokho correspondayo in the same components. So angeke u-add u-u1 no v2, no. You add u-u1 no v1, because it's the sum angisho. You add u-u2 no v2. u2 no v2, you add u3 until, okay, you add un nobani no vn, because they correspond. And from here you know ukuthi these are numbers noma these are scalars angisho. And for my scalars you know ukuthi are commutative angisho. Mawuno 2 plus 3 uyafana nobani no 3 plus 2. So treat these as ama number. u1 plus v1 ufana nobani u-v1 plus u1. You are allowed to do that because these are numbers manje. So you are allowed to say ukuthi u-v1 plus u1 la rearrange ube no v2 plus ubani u2 until you reach ubani u-vn plus un. And if you separate these again, you will realize that if you separate the sum len, you can just say let me isolate abo v bodwa, kube ubani kube u-v1 kube lana kube ubani u-v2 until you reach ubani u-vn. And you say you are adding these to ubani u-u1 u2 until you reach ubani u-un. You are allowed to do this. Obviously, I'm sure when you are adding them, so add to v1 plus u1, you get v1 plus u1. You are also allowed to separate them kanjeni. Uzokukhomba separate, this is u-vector v, this is u-vector u. Bangahlali ku-bracket, mahleli la ku-bracket, you are not able to separate. Uthi kumele separate ahlahla u-v ayedwa u-u abeyedwa. And in this case, this is v1, v2, vn until u-vn. This is u-vector bani konje? Vector v. This must be ubani? U-vector u. So we have proven ukuthi u-vector u plus v must be equal to ubani? U-vector v plus u. So siyawuthi lama proof lawa, they are not really that serious. It's all about express something in form of any, in form of a scalar. They express a vector in form of a scale. Let's say when the properties were scalar, and then you get the answers. So senzake awu-2 awugcina-ke that are important, because the other ones I think you will be able to prove them. I will call that difficult. There are 10 in total. The third one that we're gonna do is an identity element. This one is important. So that's important. It says there must be an identity element for addition. Am identity element for addition. Yini identity element wonje? Something that that even if you do anything to something, it doesn't change. Nanoma ungenzani kuleyo nto angeke izishintshe. So i-element ongayisebenzisa ukwenza something kwenye into engashintshi leyo nto. Just like adding u2 and 0, it remains 2. The identity of 2 is maintained. That's why it's an identity element. So for addition, it's an identity element ubani of 0. Because if you do u5 plus 0, you must get ubani u5 is still the same. And for all multiplication, sinani u1 identity element. If you do 5 times 1, you get ubani u5. So identity element for addition there must be 0. Identity element for multiplication ubani u1. But in alana swenza le addition. So there is a 0 vector that we must know. So a 0 vector is basically a vector. It's known as a null vector in physics. This one has got the components 0. U0 wokuqala, u0 wesibili, u0 wesithathu until u0 wokugcina. It's just a vector that is empty, having components of 0. It's a null vector. It's more like a point in a sense. So lana we want to prove if we are having a vector u that is an element of the vector space V, what must we prove lana? The sum of u vector u plus 0 vector, we must get to bani u. So soon prove if we add u0 vector, the vector containing all 0 parts, if you add it to u, kumele uthole bani u. Awungeke uvele uthi ku-obvious u plus 0 is u. No, this is not a number, it's a vector. You don't just add vectors ngendlela othanda ngayo. So lana-ke, let's do u plus the 0 vector. Simply means we are adding the components of u1, u2 until ubani un. Then we are adding these to the components kabani ka-0. Our components ka-0 ubani? U-0, u-0 until the last 0. Then automatically here you are allowed to do the addition now because lawa yini ama-number, ama-scalar quantities. You are allowed to say u1 plus 0 and you are allowed to say u2 plus 0. You are allowed to say until u-un plus ubani plus u-0. Automatically la u1 plus 0 is u1. Uyavumelekayo ukuthi u1 plus 0 is u1. Why kunjalo? Ngoba inumber manje sekuyi-scale. But if you say u plus 0, la to say u, wrong. So u1, u2 until un. And in this case, these are components of a what? Of a vector. So we can just say this is the same thing as u vector u. So this is u vector u plus the null vector, no matter the 0 vector, is equals to u vector u again. So this is an identity element for what? For addition. Simple. Okay, I don't know if this is the last one or what, but I think this one has to be the last one. But since I bought the trend, they're not difficult. It's all about turning something into what? Into a scale. Let's say when the any operations with scale. This way I is a leon by vector again. Pen. So in the was when the lamanya proof. Is one I see Ibalea collab A1 capping eating explanation the most. In scalar multiplication. No, my inverse. Inverse. Okay, let's try inverse. So let's look at the inverse of a vector. So the inverse elements of addition. This is an inverse of addition. For addition, normal of addition. Equal the inverse for a multiplication, multiplicative inverse. But now we're gonna focus on the one for of addition. So it's in len. There must be an inverse within a vector space. There must be an inverse within a vector space. So u must have an inverse u1 u-negative u. Siyabona leyo nto ngisho. U kumele abe ne-inverse ewubani? Ewu-negative u. So ile nto esifuna uyiprove thina ukuthi if you're gonna take the sum of u and its inverse, you must get ubani? U0. You must get to 0, noma you must get the 0 vector. The null vector. So shuthi lana ungaveli uthi u minus u obvious u0. This is not a number. So you're not allowed to just say u minus u is 0. So sithini-ke senza i-standard procedure. So u vector u plus u negative vector u, we must get u0. If we look at u vector u ama components y, athina ama components ka u, u1, u2 until ubani? U-un. Then we are adding these two ama components abani ka negative u. Azothini wona? U-negative u1, negative u2 until negative un. And you are adding these two components. So this is just the sum of u1 plus negative u1. Then you are adding ubani? U2 plus negative u2. Then you are adding un plus negative un. Step by step. Lana, since these are scalars, automatically this plus and minus can give us ubani? Negative. But lo plus no minus awukwazi usipha ubani? Negative. Lo niyavumeleyo this is u1 minus u1. This is u2 minus u2 until un minus un. And now these are scalars. This is the same number, no matter the same magnitude. U2 no 2, u2 minus 2 u0. This one u0. Until you reach u0 wesingaki? Wesi-n. So this is equal to u0 vector. So u plus negative u must give us u0 vector, null vector. Kunzima kanje? Aye. So you will do other proofs. So the other proofs that you have to do, these ones, you will do the following. You will do this one at UAB times U vector U. AB times vector U must give you A into B times vector U. You can also go ahead and do add its element for scalar multiplication as well. The one that says 1 times vector u must be equals to vector u. When you multiply a vector u with a u1, you must get to u nakhona. Nothing much about it. You must also be able to prove a into vector u plus a vector v. It is equals to the distribution of a into vector u plus a into vector b. So it says a scalar can be distributed. So a distributivity of a scalar multiple. I distribute into the sum of two vectors. And then the other one that you can go ahead and do nakhona is the distributivity of scalar multiplication along a scalar sum, which gives you ubani, au nakhona plus bu. Yes. Which other ones did I miss there? 0v. 0v is equal to 0. There are other ones that are not that important, but in document here, Mr. Majosi had the most important ones, the most. I think one other one is 0 times u must be able to give you 0. All of these, mzowaqedelela lawo ma-proof. Yawona. Noma khona ufuna edeni. Yiphi enye futhi? U0, I think u0 oyilothi njani oyi. Yeah, u0 oyi-scale. U0 is scale. Because the multiplication of vectors, how do you multiply vectors? Hey. Since some addition principles, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. So there are many types of examples no my vector space, but at least it must satisfy ama axioms awu-4. Lawo esiwakhulumile namuhla. Lawo esiwaprovile lawa. At least I satisfy lawo awu-4. Then you can say it's a vector space. Ungaze uprove wonke awu-10. Yeah. So if they say prove it's a vector space, try your best to prove at least those 4 core ones, normal 4 major ones. Ngiyezwakala in Mangjani. All right. Still wish to project lana because ukubala ama question kanjena one by one. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. Associativity, inverse elements, distributivity, warawara, all of those. Yeah. Wonke lawo amadoda njani. The examples of ama vector space. Even a matrix is also a vector space. A matrix now is vector space. You can do a scalar multiplication kuyo. You can add 2 matrices. You can subtract them. There are many things on our matrices. So all of those are vector spaces. So Masura vector space, let's just try to take examples. Maybe we can find examples of vector spaces that we can prove are these vector spaces or not. So Lana Ekona Lana from the document that I'm having Lana. We have examples of vector spaces. We have the set of all real numbers. All real numbers are vector spaces. Because real numbers like addition, all of those things we did it with real numbers. So automatically, if something is a real number, is qualified to do all of that. So vele you can do scalar multiplication, associativity, commutativity, yonke leyo nto. And then nama polynomials nakhona, they are also vector spaces. So they are also vector spaces, ama polynomials. You can add 2 polynomials. You can add 2 polynomials. I'm sure you know we say if we're having 2x plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 0, and mhlampe 4x minus okay, let's just say 2x plus 3 is equals to 0, 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. Can you not add lawa u2 kanjena? You can add them, so they are closed value or they are closed under addition value automatically. Even if you add these 2 equations, you can still apply commutativity, seven the same way nakhona. So polynomials nakhona, they satisfy they satisfy as ama vector space. Let's just try to prove maybe we see a polynomial with a degree n, can it be a vector space? a polynomial that has got a certain degree, mhlampe sithi udegree wethu simbize ngo-n, is it a vector space? So let's just take ukuthi we have got two polynomials, p at x and q at x, and all of those are an element of a vector space, which I will call the vector space Pn. So this is my vector space Pn. So prove ukuthi ama polynomials, they are a vector space. Yeah, basically. Prove that they are a vector space. So prove ukuthi you can add them. You just have to say ukuthi you have got a polynomial px. Ama elements of a polynomial onje siwabhala kanjani? How do you write the elements of a polynomial? The first element ubani? A naught angisho. Then the next one ubani? A1x angisho. The next one A2 x squared, is it? Is it? Until the last one, an x to the power n. So these are these are elements of a polynomial px. Then you choose another polynomial, you give it different elements. Choose polynomial q at x if you want to give it mhlampe b. Have b naught, have b1x, nakhona still a polynomial nje, so kumele follow ipattern efanayo. Have b2 x squared until you reach ubani? Bn x to the power of n. Now all you have to do is to show that you add them, you must get something that is within the same vector space within n. And if we add them, since these are real numbers, I show all of these are real numbers, our polynomial weights, so we can add like terms. You can add a naught and b naught, a1x and a1x, njalo njalo njalo. So you can find the sum to see which are they closed under addition. You can find the sum of these of the polynomial p at x no q at x. If you add them, essentially lapho uzothola ubani a naught plus ubani plus b naught. And we say to a the coefficients now are real numbers. So you can add them and still find a real number within the same degree n. Because n is the last number, then you can add ubani a1 or b1 with a coefficient ka x. You can add a2 no b2 with a coefficient ka x squared until you reach an no bn with a coefficient ka x cubed. And these are real numbers. These are scalar quantities. You are allowed to even do equal or xn, x to the power of n. So these are real numbers. You are allowed to do anything from here. You are allowed to show which these are commutative. How to show that these are commutative? Vice versa. Thatha b naught umise ngalen, a naught abe ngalen. So prove it's a commutative automatically. You can prove because if you take b naught umise ngalen, a naught umise ngalen. Okay, let's just say from here we want to prove they are closed under addition. Mhlambe se prove commutativity. Siqale ngo b naught no a naught, because these are real numbers. You're allowed to do that. Lapha uqale no b1 no bani no a1. Ngalena uqale no bani no b2 plus a2 be no x squared until you reach ubani bn plus an be x to the power of n. So lana so approve ukuthi now you can apply commutativity to them, because this is p at x plus ubani plus q at x. So automatically lana you are allowed to separate them again njengoba edile kanjeni. Kuyavumele useparate ngisho. Yes, so separate kanjani our polynomial weights to show that they are closed under addition, or not to show that commutativity applies here. We can just separate them and just say no polynomial yokuqala ubani b naught, that's the first element yayo ngisho. And then you can spread out this x. X lona uyakwazi ukungena la ku b1. Kube ubani? Kube b1 x. Lo x squared uyakwazi ukungena ku b2. Kube b2 x squared. Until you reach ubani bn x to the power of n. Then you can close and say so you are adding this polynomial to which other polynomial? To lena eqala nobani no a naught. To this one, ax can spread in, kube 1 a1x, kube a2x squared, and until ubani an, until an x to the power of n. Automatically, this is polynomial ubani, polynomial b, uq at x angisho. So you can say this is uq at x, this is ubani, up at x. You have proved that this is a commutative line. You have proven that the sum of two polynomials is commutative. That from this formula, from this sum of them, you can prove the commutativity, noma associativity, noma yini principle oyifunayo. Mawufuna ukuprove i-commutativity lana ku-is sesiyenzile nayo. Mawufuna wenze associativity konje wenza njani? Kufuna abe u3. You just introduce another third polynomial. Njalo njalo. You just do yonke into esiyenze ngama-vector space, but you use the format oyinikeziwe. In this case, the format is of a polynomial. So sebenzisa i-format yani? A polynomial. Angeke phela sigcine phela sesifaka ama-elements ngenye indlela ekubeni siyazi i-polynomial has got a constant, has got a term multiplied to x squared until x to the power n. So kubalekele nje siwazi lawo. You can try to see scalar multiplication. Is it closed under scalar multiplication? Introduce a constant c omfunayo to this polynomial. Multiply by the constant c. Yeah, and all of that. You can do many things. Wonke lama axioms ngawazama, but I think those 4 core ones are important. Lawa we-addition especially. Lawa ka-addition na lawa we-scalar multiplication. You can prove uthi there is a zero vector here. Can you prove uthi there is an identity element here? Within a polynomial. How can you prove uthi polynomial has got a zero? How can you prove a polynomial has a zero? Well, you can define even a zero polynomial and say uthi u0 at x is equals to bani? Is equals to the first constant ubani u0. The next constant ubani u0 times x. Because u0 value is gonna multiply each and everything. The next one is ubani u0 times x squared until you reach u0 times x to the power of n. And automatically the entries are still going to give you ubani u0 nakhona. You have shown that one. What does it say? 0 times a vector in it will give you 0 nakhona. So it's nothing much difficult. You just ikhandela izinto ozifunayo. As long as ukwakha lo mqondo lo uthi yayazi lento. So these are vector spaces and ama axioms wawo. Now there is this thing known as a subspace of a vector space. So consider a vector space as into enkulu, space is cool, right? And then a subspace is more like you are taking a smaller element of a vector space. Take a smaller element of the vector space. Noma take a portion encane of the vector space. To those around the statistics, I'm sure we know the difference between a sample and a population. So from a bigger population, we are taking a sample. Same applies here. From a bigger vector space, we are taking a what? A small portion. So for something to qualify as a vector space, it must satisfy 3 conditions. So number 1, it must not be empty. It is non-empty. It must be a non-empty set. So non-empty should be in terms of mathematics, there must be at least a 0 vector. So a 0 vector must exist within a subspace yakho. So a subspace yakho must have a 0 vector part. It means it's not empty because even 0 itself is a vector. So it can never be empty in any way, subspace yakho. Then again, it must be closed under addition. There must be closure under addition. So bonus, how do we apply it? Then the third condition for a subspace to qualify as a subspace of a vector space, it must be also closed under scalar multiplication. So there must be closure under scalar multiplication. So all of these conditions must be met here. If vector space ibe subspace, vector space it's subspace ibe subspace ye vector space. Ukuze size sibize nge-subspace kumele satisfy lama condition awu-3. So asibone ukuthi how do we then prove ukuthi this is a subset, a subspace? So we use this symbol to show that this is a subspace. So mangathi mhlambe uV is a subspace of P. It means ukuthi uV is a subspace of vector space bani P. Nayi le symbol esisebenzisayo. So we just need to do examples. Can we kind of try and see which one is a subspace, which one is not a subspace. So let's just take a subset of values that is given as ubani. Let's just take a subspace set of values that is given as a matrix. For example, this is UW, is a subset. This subset has got the elements U, such that OU is a matrix, and this matrix has got elements I. And then this matrix is an element of real numbers, but there is a 3 there. What does a 3 mean? And you are given that element U3 is equals to 0. Prove that this subspace is a subspace. Prove that this subset is a subspace of a vector space. So as local sub. So I understand that if format in le kahle kahle le. Mawubona lethu kanjena ama arrays kanjena yini matrix. Sayibona ngisho. And this matrix is an element of what? Of real numbers, but there's a 3 on top. That 3 tells us what? It has got 3. 3. It's like 1, 2, 3 rows. Remember, in matrix, must represent and must not real numbers. Let's say 63 times 3. It means this is a 3 by 3 matrix, whereby the values of the matrix are real numbers. Lo 3 lona is the number of rows. Lo 3 lona is the number of columns. Makubhalwe u3 oyi1 kanjena. Without saying 3 by 1 per se, we know this will have how many? We're only having one element angisho here, like along the column. So we're gonna only have 3 rows within this matrix. So a matrix here to OUI must have 3 rows, whereby OI is a real number in there. So you must try to prove there is a 0 vector. And you are given that OU3, like OUS3 in each and every part of a matrix, no 0. Let's prove number 1. The first condition says what? It must not be an empty set. It must be a non-empty set. Meaning there must be a 0 vector existing. How can you prove there is a 0 vector existing? Prove kanjani lapha uthi khona u0 phakathi kuleyo kwayo. Prove kanjani? How can you prove that in identity? Well, ngaliphi ilotho njani? It's we must prove that there is a 0 vector within. I must senze ama combinations is within the subspace. How can you prove? Sayicabanga. Kanti u3 lingana nobani kanti? Manje basitshelele nje ukuthi kunokhona u0 nje. It's something that you already know nje. It's just all about saying ukuthi u3 must be 0. U3 must be 0, so there is a 0 there in it. And u0 is more like a component of the 0 vector. So automatically, u3 u0. Even if you express it as a matrix and say u must contain u3 o0. So automatically, we can have entries of abo 0 nje. Noma we can just have entries of ubani o0 kanje. Because you are told values u3 is equals to bani to 0. Something you are told. You can express it here now and express it as a 3 by 3 and say, since u3 are 0, if we make it a matrix, because u can also be a matrix. So u is a matrix. So u0, which entries can it have? It can only have 3 entries. Why is it para a column A1? Let's check it up here to the power of 3. There are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. There is 1 column. So it's 3 rows, 1 column. A matrix. So sibona le number ngaphezulu leya. It tells us the number of rows by the number of columns. If it's 1, there's no need to say 3 by 1 per se. But now 3 by 3, you know, 3 rows, 3 columns matrix. But here U3 is 0, you've been told. So automatically, you are not really proving it. You are just putting U0 lana in their matrix form to show to you know that U0 is 0, 0, 0. Usebenzisa le format abakuphe yona, ungabe phela wona usufaka i-polynomial ekubeni bathi u-U is a matrix having u-UI, whereby o-UI wakho bawu-3. In this case, u-UI wethu sithe ubani? U-U3. U-U3 ulingana nobani? No-0. O-UI bawungaki? Bawu-3, 0, 0, 0. You follow the format that you are given. So automatically, this is a non-empty set. There is a 0 vector in it because a matrix can be a vector as well. Now, explain the other one, closure under addition. How can you prove that there is a closure under addition? Closure under addition, we must prove that if we are having two elements of this form, masiwahlanganisa siyothola i-element ezofana neformat efanayo naleyo. So we must prove that, for example, in real numbers, if we add 3 plus 3, we must also get a real number. So if we take a real number as a vector space, it means it is closed under addition because we're adding ubani, u3 no 3. Sithola into ekuphi within that particular vector space. So lana prove that if you add two things ezikanjeni, noma two matrices, because this is a matrix angisho, add two matrices of this form, you must get a value, noma you must get a matrix. Yeah, you must get a matrix. Ma add ama matrices awu2 akanjena, kumele uthole i-matrix nakhona eziba kanjena, eziba neformat efanayo. Shuthi kumele ibe nani? Nama values awu3, 3 rows, and must also have the last element or the third element as u0. So how can you prove it here manje? Sizoprove kanjani yona? Sithi find out 2 angisho. So we're gonna let one element simbize ngo-u. Noma mhlawumbe ungambiza ngo-u1 just to make a, but it's fine. Call it u and give it its elements. Ama elements wayo uzoba ubani? U1, u2, nobani? No u3. Remember that there must be 3 in total. But u3 kuthiweni konje? U0. So automatically I can just say u1, u2, 0. If I choose another element, mhlambe uv, it must also be in the same format. Nano ungayiname different, just like a polynomial. So no p at x, no q at x, you name them different, but they must have the same format of a polynomial. Similarly, nalan, we must have the same format of a vector space. If we pick uv here, uv wethu must be having the same elements, uv1, uv2, and the third element kumele kube ubani? Kube 0. Once we now value v3 lana, so I violate the condition of the third element kumele kube ubani? Kube 0. Now let's prove that closure under addition. If we add these two elements, we must get the same, element in the same format as the other one. So this was our W. So let's just try to prove. If we add these, should we get the same elements that will be found in this W? How do we add matrices? If we add U plus V, what are we gonna add kahle? So it ubani nobani? U1 no V1 angisho. So U1 and V1. You add ubani? U2 and V2. You add ubani? U0 no 0. That's what you get. And automatically 0 plus 0 to show this. Now you just need to prove that this is in the same format as the other one. Is this in the same format as the as W? Asiboneni. If format ithini lana, this must be a matrix. The sum must also be a matrix. 1. Number 2, the sum, the matrix yakhona must have 3 elements in a row, like in a column angisho. Yeah, like 3 rows. Normally I can say 3 elements in a column, still the same thing. Then the third thing, what must happen? The third element of that sum, whatever one, goes 0. As confirming, is this a matrix? Yes. U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, those are the first 2 elements. The third element must be 0. Is it 0 land? Yes. So automatically it's closed under addition because it's following the same format. Akwenzekanga ukuthi lana mhlawumbe sithole u2 noma sithole anything else that will violate their condition esini, third element must be 0. So closure under addition proven. So you can now, you can now you can now conclude in words in bese uyasho ke manje ukuthi leya format leya iyona leya yaka vector space u-W. Yeah, I don't know how you conclude there, but ke you conclude phela ukuthi sengikhombisile asengisho ke ukuthi therefore this is closed under addition. Then what is the third thing? Closure under scalar multiplication. So if you multiply by a scalar to your vector, it must be possible ukuthi you get the same format. Yeah. Now polynomials, which is closed under addition. Yes, for polynomials, if we take a degree n of real numbers, lapha besithatha ama real numbers angisho. We're taking ama real numbers. If we try to do a closure under addition here, if we say a naught plus b naught, and the sum of them are real numbers, isum ya a naught no b naught must also be what? A real number. Isum ka a1 plus b1 will yield us a real number which will be equals the coefficient kabani ka x. And show vele a polynomial you define the and say usi where a naught and b naught where lama constants lawo they're what? They are called their real numbers. That's what we miss there. Where an no bani no bn. I'm just trying to refer to all of them. All of them, they are all elements of real number. So automatically, if you add my real numbers out too, you're gonna find still a real number within that. So automatically it's closed in a corner under addition. But for this one, we have to prove which is going to give us the same formation as this one exactly. Then as well under scalar multiplication, with scalar multiplication, you are not really proving anything per se. You are just you are just multiplying the scalar. So define your own scalar. Remember, to say vector u can be expressed as u1, u2, and 0. So if I say I multiply by c to vector u, what will I get? cu1 no bani, no cu2, no c times 0 was 0. Well, it's already in that format. Well, so the scalar multiple of this vector will give us something within the same format. Because it's a matrix 3 by 1, and it's still the third element is still 1 or 0. So it's closed under scalar multiplication. Is it hard, Magunje? All about seeing a format satisfy my conditional 3. Is there a 0 vector? Number 1. Number 2, my scalar multiplication, or number 2, closure under addition. When you add two elements of that format, you do get the same thing, like something with the same format. Number 3, when you multiply with a scalar, you're gonna get something in a format infinite. So closure just simply means if I add those things, I will get the same thing within. Yes. So let's just do more practices for. Let's give a subspace given by allowing now x, y, z, and you are given that x plus y plus z must give you 0. Okay. Kalen. If Berxian, well, you wouldn't be able to prove in this case. Because if Bangajansu you 3 or 0, you're just going to make 3 rows with real numbers. And the real numbers can be any number. So automatically it wouldn't be a subspace. You can disqualify it for shooting. I can test it. But having real numbers, it means there's a possibility of getting a 0 as the third element in a coin. Yeah, but automatically, because number real numbers, it means the matrix can contain 0 because 0 is also a real number. Yeah, so I think we say ilega 0 kancane is set ibe empty, 0 angabikho because when you are dealing with numbers, most of the time 0 will always be there. Okay, what about this one? Is this one a subspace? Sayibona format esiphiwe la, format is the most important thing to catch. Sinobani lana x, y, z, that's the format. Ungashintshi wena imali sothi x plus y, okay, unless mawusenze addition. but ungashintshi le format soyenze matrix noma uyenze enye into. It's x, y, z. Shuthi yonke into uzoyibhala uthi first thing, comma, first thing, comma, first thing. Format ingashintshi. Asiqale nini? Do you think there is a zero vector there? Does the zero vector exist? How can you prove it? How can you prove what zero vector exists? Ngalena siprove kanjani basiphila ngisho. Nalaba siphile nakhona u0. You just have to put it in the same format. Nasho lana sifake ku format matrix ewu3. Same thing nalana. We just have to take this 0, put it in this format and show what it's going to give us 0. Automatically 0. Yeah, because lana we have x, y, z. If we want to make this 0, or no matter to prove that there is a 0 here, we know that the sum of x plus y plus z is equal to 0. But angeke uvele uqhamuke phela sokuthi x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Make these ezabo 0 bakho kube u0, u0, no 0. Format ayishintshana. This, comma, this, comma, this, comma, this. You know if you're having O0, 0, 0 as x, y, no z wakho. When you add them, when you're gonna add these, this is going to be what? 0 plus 0. Angisho wathi add la. Angikambanga into bashilo si add them. So if for this to be 0, I must add to x no y no z. And what must happen? Let me define x and y and z to be 0, 0, 0. So that when I add 0, 0, 0, I get 0. So there is a 0 there. Automatically. It's all about making a format nje. Follow the format abanayo. Mawathe this comma this comma this, yenza this comma this comma this. Mawathe yenza matrix ufaka u0 phakathi. Njengoba bashilo. Laba phinde bathini x plus y plus z, add them and get 0. But for you to get 0 when obvious you need to know you need to add to 0 no 0 no 0. But low 0 no 0 no 0 ungavele uthi 0 plus 0 plus 0. Follow their format now. Such that this 0 is x, this 0 is y, this 0 is z. And you add x plus y plus z, you get 0. Is this a subspace? Oh yeah, the question was is this a subspace of real numbers? Is W a subspace of real numbers? Automatically it is. Okay, the first condition met. Closure under addition. Can we add two elements and get elements within the same space? Can we add two elements and get elements within the same space? So you must define an element awu2. Abe uyiphi format konje? X, Y, Z. So I'm defining X, Y, Z engimfunayo as element number 1. Define ano enimfunayo. So nobani? X1, Y1, Z1. This is the first element that I want. Then the next element that I want is what? X2, Y2, Z2. Yabo ngithi comma njengoba shilo nje kanje. Now I need to prove ukuthi there is closure under addition. When I add them, I must get something within the subspace. In this case, they didn't even tell you these are real numbers, but they prove it is part of real numbers. So the only conditions that you have to prove is 0 low. I can condition on I. So try to prove the combination of these will give us 0. Because our some real numbers. And you come when x1 plus x2 since x1 and x2 they are elements of real numbers. No one told you that. Ngalena they told you the elements of the matrices are real numbers. So you were allowed to do that. But now no one told you that these elements are real numbers. You're only told the sum of x and y and z must give us 0. So singaprove kanjani ukuthi x having two elements and we add them, we must get 0 within. How can we prove? Senze njani? How can you prove? Singaprove kanjani? These are found within the subspace x1, y1, z1. We want to prove if we add them, we must get something within that subspace. If we don't get something within the subspace, then it's not a subspace of the vector of real numbers. So senza kanjani? Prove kanjani? Singakwazi yini ukuthi hayi yenzani? Singakwazi yini la uqhamuka sesithi x1 plus y1 plus z1 is 0? For what you have, okay, you have just added one element, like you have added sub-elements of one thing. It's like you must add with the other element. Prove equation under addition. Pick two elements within the subspace. Then you add them, those two elements. Lana, this is one element. X1, Y1, Z1. This is another element. Prove which the sum of these will give you 1 or 0. Senza kanjani? Obviously, the thing you must add them, and that's the first thing. As well, add them sibonene. If we add x1, y1, z1, we add this element to x2, y2, z2. What must we get? Yini singayi-add lana? Singayi-add ubani nobani? Isithezamisanayo kuqala ngisho. If we add to x1 no x1 no x2, we can add to x1 and what? And x2. Sayabona leyo nto ngisho. Isami yalokho. Then comma, we can add y1 nobani no y2. We can add z1 no z2. These are numbers, you can add them, you are allowed. They didn't say they are real numbers, but they are numbers at least. We know that these elements are numbers because at least you can do whatever operations on them. But our actual are real numbers. So, Lana, how do you prove that we must get a 0 here? Because for you to get a 0 here, you must add x, y, no z. Add to x, no y, no z. Now x1 plus x2 is more like x weight. y1 plus y2 is more like x weight. z1 plus z2 is more like. But you still need to separate them again. As shown in Seranja. We can add to bani x1, x2 wangisho. Same add no bani, no y1, no y2. And so x plus y lapha phezulu. So x plus y plus z. And add this to z1 no bani, no z2. Add them because this is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. But x plus y plus z here, they must be kind of the same because masoti x1 plus y1 plus z1 0. But you cannot do it from the get-go because you must send some elements out too. So it's fine. Omunye would have just said it's obvious, it's common sense. As well as x1 plus y1 plus z1 0. Vele is common sense, vele kuzwa kanjalo. But ngenxa yokuthi ufuna ama-marks, so wenza kanjani thina-ke? So create ama-element awu-2. So ahlanganise. So ahlukanise futhi. Prove ukuthi when you add this element and this element, you get 0 and 0. You add to 0, you get to 0 again. Okay, I don't know if this is purposeful or what, but just do it. Lana, x1, no x2s, no y1s, no y2s, no z1s, no z2. You can still separate them as a sum. You can create them as a sum kabani ka x1 plus y1 plus z1. Yes, x1 plus y1 plus z1. Right? And then you say you are adding this to uban, x2 plus y2 plus z2. Siyawubona yini mehluko walokho nalokho, like with this step not this step. La siyawa add, labo siwaseparate ngecomma. Manje siyawa add ke manje final. We can only add them as say angeke uvele uqhamuke yona so add x1 no y1 no z1. You have to first show if you're having two elements of that format, you can add them and you get the element within that subspace. And in this case, so x1 plus y1 plus z1, it can be 0. x2 plus y2 plus z2, it can be 0 because it's the same elements, and when you add to x no y no z of the same elements, you must get to 0, 9. So the sum is what? Is 0. So there is a 0 within. Hey, man. Asenzeni khona. Asibezelele lento. Ayikho mnandi. Ayikho is ngoba uyayiqambela into oyifunayo. Approach, you can take another approach as well. So let's do a scalar multiplication, the last one. Prove if you multiply the element of this format, we multiply with a scalar multiple constant c, you must get the same format nakhona. That's the whole point. Either you must get the same format, normally you must add them this and get Z nakhona. Part of that. So here, if we introduce C multiply, for scalar multiplication, you only need one element. Ungazi x1, y1, ukhetha ama-element awu-2. Two elements are required for addition. But for scalar multiplication, you only need one. So even if you take the element, mhlawumbe uyibize ngo-x1, y1, no z1, and you multiply it with a constant, with a scalar multiple, what do you get there? Sithole ubani? U-cx1, u-cx2, ubani? U-cx1 njalo, u-cy1 nobani? No-cz1. Ayishintsha informate. Now, cx1, cy1, cz1. And here, you are allowed also hey, because things are usually, things are regret. You are allowed now to say to him, since we know with him, if we're going to add the elements of x1 and x2 and x3, we must get U0. So we can say with him, here C times the element ka x1, the element ka x2, the element ka x2, ka y1, no z1. We know that these elements are going to give us U0. So the scalar multiple times the 0 must still give us the 0. This is necessary to spread out closely because the scalar multiplication, multiply with the scalar, then check out the scalar again, and show if you add this and this and this, you must get something of that format. If format here to 18, if I add x plus y plus z, I must get to 0. So even if I multiply with the scalar multiple, I still get to 0 nakhona. But asibeze le njalo sisilokho siyenzile. Oh, XYZ man, domo x3 ekhanda. So y1 z1. Fine, xy1 was z1. All right, let's take the one and try to see is this one a subspace or not. There are many more la with document yamaJaws la. Maningi kakhulu. There is this one x1 until xn minus 1 to 0. Is it a subspace? And then there is this one, P at x. Even a polynomial, you have to prove. Closure under addition. And then you have to prove what? Closure under scalar multiplication. The matrices, closure under addition. Yeah. Here nama matrix, nama polynomials. Here's the last one that I will pick from Miss, because in our club. So, khona le esithathu ethi uW is what? Is xy. Is given by x comma y. It's more like a coordinate. And then now they say you are given that x is greater or equal to 0. And you are given that y is greater or equal to 0. Asiqale number 1. Is there a 0 there? Asiqale. Does the 0 exist within that a subspace? Sikubonaphi? X can be greater or equal to 0. No, y can be greater or equal lona. Usitshela ukuthi y angaba 0 in that format. So using that format, you know x can be what? X can be 0, y can be 0. Just use the format njengoba njalo. X can be 0, y can be 0. And if you want to follow up with that, you can just say this is the same thing as saying U0 can be greater or equal to 0. Noma U0 can be greater or equal to 0 for the one y. So you can use this side and say this implies if I let x be 0, vele U0 u greater or equal to 0. If I let y abe U0, vele U0 greater or equal to 0. Asho vele U0 u greater or equal to 0. Like U equal to 0 kahle. Yeah, so thatha equal to parts. So automatically you have said, just like lesson the kalenji. Sakhumbula lesson the kalen. Sitheni, we picked U0 wethu. Sakhombisa ukuthi if we put it in this format, we are still gonna get this one. Even for this one, we picked U0 wethu. We proved that if we put it in this format 0, 0, 0, then we follow the condition 0 plus 0 plus 0 must get to 0. Same applies nakulena futhi. Same applies nakulena. We put U0, 0 here for this format, and then we say This implies to masifaka 0 la this would be 0 greater or equal to 0 or 0 greater or equal to 0 given the format S9. Followisha njengoba injalo i-formats awushintshi. So singaqhamuki thina sethi 0 plus 0 la, there's no need because we follow the format. So to prove ukuthi there is a 0 vector, you follow in the format. Usual. What else can we prove? A closure under addition. Closure under addition. How many elements should we have, Lan, of that type? 2 elements. So pick 2 elements, x1 noma x2 noma yini. Element yokuqala singathi u-x1 no y1 angisho. And the other elements sithi ubani? U-x2 no y2. Just prove what we must still be able to get that format. If we are doing closure under addition, we must add those elements angisho. That's the thing. Add the elements. That's the first step. Add lama elements out to ama elements ahlukile, but in the same format. So you are allowed to add x1. Let's just add them separately. Kanjeni plus x2 y2. So you can add ubani x1 nobani no x2, right? x1 plus x2. You can add to x1 no x2 separately. Add to y1 no y2 separately. So x2 and x1, or x1 x2 y1 y2. You can add these elements. Now the only thing left to prove is to prove uthi this can be greater or equal to 0. How can you prove that? Ngobuza x1, is it greater, is it less than 0, noma is it equal to 0? x1 unjani? x1 yakwazi ukuba negative? Cha, angisho, because what all the values of x must be greater or equal to 0. So x1 must be greater or equal to 0. No, x2 must be greater or equal to 0. No, y1 must be greater or equal to 0. No, y2 they must also be what? Greater or equal to 0. Wonke they must be greater or equal to 0. So if you are going to add is into s greater or equal to 0, can you get the sum that doesn't follow the condition there? I was paying on. No. Okay, you always get the sum ehambisanayo njalo. Because if you add is into s2 that are greater or equal to 0, you're gonna get something that is greater or equal to 0. Obviously, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 is greater or equal to 0. 2 is also greater or equal to 0. Angeke uzu-add ama-number awu-2 a-positive uthole ubani u-negative. No 0, angeke uzu-add o-0 abawu-2 uthole into less than u-0, because now we want anything greater or equal to 0, positive or equal to 0. So since we know u-x1, u-x2, y1, y2, all of them siyazi banjani bakhulu kuno 0. Automatically their sum is also going to be what? Greater than 0, greater or equal to 0. So automatically the sum of x1 no x2, this sum, the sum ka x1 plus x2, since it is because they are coordinates in this case. If we add to x1 no x2, they must definitely give us something enjani greater or equal to 0, since this condition is met. If we add y1 no y2, we must definitely get something that is greater or equal to 0. And this is satisfying the condition of our. So let's do subspace, format and condition. So prove what's using the format and you add this, you can get the condition satisfied. Hey, this is so abstract, but if you want to imagine imagine amanamba. Last condition, it's in last condition one. Scalar multiplication again. So let's see, can we do scalar multiplication for this one? Does the scalar multiplication hold for this one? Let's multiply with a scalar. If we take a scalar that is a scalar can be an element of real numbers, whatever that you want as a scale. Then you multiply it to your subspace. Is this still going to have, or yeah, to your format, you multiply it? Are we still going to get the same condition? Condition H is still going to be met. Yini ngaba a problem? in negative. When that negative one, if multiply the number negative, we cannot create something that is what greater or equal to 0. So if you multiply with a number that is negative, definitely the condition is x and y must always be 0, must always be greater or equal to 0. So since C, which is the scalar multiple, it is a number, any real number. You can even take a negative real number and prove it. If I multiply with a negative scalar and I multiply to the format yami ubani x no y, I'm going to find a value that's going to be ubani negative cx no negative cy, and these are negative values. They are definitely not greater or equal to 0 because they are negative. So automatically this condition is not met because yakwazi we disprove. And if they cannot be a positive, lapha number which must multiply in a negative scalar multiple, then automatically what can we say? This cannot be a subspace because condition 3 is not met. Use the format. Alright, is this one a vector space? If we take V and we say V weight is given by elements x, y, and then whereby OX is a greater, let's just use greater or equal to 0, and OI is also greater or equal to 0. Okay, let's choose the same condition. Can this be a vector space? Because this one is the axis subspace, but can this be a vector space? What can we what can we use to prove? Okay, I'm sure we satisfy at least 4 conditions there. Le inverse, always prove there is an inverse. Le closure under addition, but this one is pretty much obvious. If you're gonna add this closure under addition, you corner land. Closure under scalar multiplication. For our subspace, we cannot for a subspace, there must be closure under scalar multiplication. And this one cannot have it. That's one thing that you can disprove with. In any footage, I say to disprove with an active vector space. Equal any inverse lana for this one. Can this have an inverse? Can ama elements lawa have an inverse? No. As far as I should say an inverse. Because convolutive inverse is more like negative 1 times something. So if we are having OU, its inverse is what? It's negative U. So Lana's no one, no X, no Y. So we must have one negative X, negative Y. That's the inverse, which is more like the transformation. If it's a function, it's a transformation along some axis there. So here we are having one X. So for us to have an inverse for this element xy, you must have one negative x, negative y. Can we ever have negative x if this condition holds? No. We can never have a negative x if x must always be positive or equal to 0. We can never have a negative x if y, negative y njalo, if y must always be greater or equal to 0. So this is not a vector space. At least prove within the inverse, mago vector space.